Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6411. This ran from the 7th 2015 to the 8th 2020. It has a CZDA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CZDA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,